in terms of narrative, as the name implies, it's all about telling a story, right? So in this case, you give participants the chance to tell you their story. Your role is to listen and understand what they are telling you in terms of what they have experienced in a story format. And then you analyze that information and then report that information in a story format. So you should have all the elements of a story, right? You collect participant story, reorganize those, and then present a story that represents or cut across all the story that you have collected, right? So that's all about narrative approach. Ethnography, most of the time, you collect data as that the information or the phenomenon, or maybe you want to focus on a specific experience as it's happening in the natural setting, right? So let's say you want to study children with autism, right? You may have to go to their homes and look and observe and look at their day-to-day behavior and activity and interaction with their parents and everything, right? So this is more of ethnography because you are studying a behavior and experience in its natural setting, right? And most of the time you have to do observation, observe what you want to observe. And sometimes you have to interview some of the stakeholders or someone who is experiencing the phenomenon that you want to focus on. Sometimes you have to do focus groups, right? Focus group is more of bringing people together and then ask them questions, they respond, and and collect that information to help you to address your research question. You can also analyze document, right? Ethnography takes a long time because in order to understand a specific phenomenon in its natural setting, you have to spend a lot of time, right? Some might take weeks, a month, just to see and document what you see, right? And in terms of the analysis, you develop things to maybe explain a specific behavior or describe a specific event or a situation. Thank you for watching. This is Philip Edu, the methodology expert. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.